We may be a couple of months away from the arrival of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, at least if the latest rumors about an earlier-than-usual phone launch are accurate. But that's not stopping leakers from sharing images that claim to show us what Samsung's premium flagship will look like when it shows up in 2024. The most convincing images come from well-known leaker S24, who took to Chinese social media site Weibo to post what they described as pictures of a Samsung S24 series protective case. The 5 images center around the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which looks a lot like the Galaxy S23 Ultra it will be replacing. Like Samsung's current Ultra, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks to feature 2 rows of vertically stacked camera lenses. Assuming the S24 Ultra is retaining the current model's setup, that means the row on the left features the main ultra-wide and telephoto cameras. On the left, you'll find a second telephoto lens accompanied by an autofocus sensor and an LED flash. If accurate, that would seemingly confirm some rumors about Samsung's plans for the camera setup on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Some rumors have suggested Samsung might consolidate the 2 telephoto lenses into a single camera with a variable focal length for smoother zooms. More recently, though, the S24 Ultra has been tipped to feature 2 telephoto cameras. In the most recent S24 Ultra camera rumor, S24 claimed the phone is going to sport a 10MP telephoto lens with a 3x zoom and a 50MP telephoto lens with a 5x zoom. That would be a change from the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which features a pair of 10MP telephoto cameras offering 3x and 10x zooms respectively. Based on the case photos posted by S24, the S24 Ultra case looks a little less rounded than the S23 Ultra. That could suggest a more squared-off design for next year's phones. For what it's worth, the leaked case photos have a lot in common with a new Galaxy S24 Ultra concept design shown off by Tinizo Concept in conjunction with Super Rotor. As spotted by Sammobile, the concept design draws off of previously posted CAD designs for the Galaxy's S24 Ultra. For that reason, the YouTube video showing off the S24 Ultra concept design is a lot less fantastical than these sorts of things can be, with a more conventional-looking design for Samsung's phone. In addition to the multiple cameras and squared-off design, the video also depicts the included S Pen as the same color as the phone it accompanies. Galaxy S24 release date rumors have the S24 Ultra joining the rest of the Galaxy S24 lineup for a January launch, a few weeks earlier than when Samsung normally shows off its new flagships. The S24 Ultra has been tipped to have titanium sides drawn on a similar feature from the iPhone 15 Pro. Additionally, the phone is likely to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset Qualcomm introduced last month. What are the potential implications of the rumored design changes for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.